Hey guys, are you guys ready for the best super kids on YouTube? You've got it here. I'm Dad from Callie and Jordan Squad, and I'm here with
Callie
and Anna and
Tia
and
whatever my name is.
what's your name?
Jordan.
And Jordan.
He forgot his name.
He forgot his
Again.
name. It won't be the first time. It won't be the last time. All right, so we're here today. We got an awesome gift, a baby gift for. I almost said Callie and Jordan, but no, not for Callie and Jordan because they're not babies. For Tia and Anna.
Then why am I in this video?
Because.
Oh yeah, I have to hold it.
All right, so we've got the card. So this was sent to us by an awesome family. Go check out the Diamond Boy and Girl. They sent us all of this stuff. We're going to show it off. And yeah, thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Okay, you going to open it?
Oh, I will.
You can open it. Going to open it, Callie? All right, let's see.
It's
What does it say?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
And inside it says, congratulations on the angel added to your family. With love. A warm... stop moving. A warm... Hey, stop moving! Stop moving.
A warm, sweet welcome to your new little girl. Congratulations from Tia, Oz, and Azu in Calgary, Alberta.
It should say girls because there's
There's two of them. It's hard to get twin cards for sure. So it's a Heartline card, and it's made by Hallmark. All right, so
Can I?
if we open, do you want to
Can I get
pick
the
up the first
item?
thing? All right.
I want this one. This is so cute.
Look at that, guys.
And there's another one.
There's not just one,
There's two. Wait, let me get the hanger.
but there's two.
For both of them.
There's
'cause
two
they're
of them for
twins.
twins.
Two for twins.
So there you go. So the good thing about this is, so it's a two-piece. So they do come with these awesome pants.
White pants. White leggings.
White leggings
With
with orange flowers on top. Awesome.
And pink. They're pink.
Are they pink flowers? Oh,
And butterflies.
she's trying to eat
She
them.
likes
She's
it.
trying to eat them. All right. The good
Can I
thing
get
about
the
these
next?
are they are for 12 months. So they just turned 5 months today, which is November 2nd. They were born November 2nd. So today is April 2nd. I
Yeah.
almost forgot what month it was. It's April 2nd.
Just
So they're
remember April
5 months
1st,
old
the prank
already. And look at them. 5 months. Don't be spitting all over them.
Wait,
Awesome, so we got
can
some-
I get the next thing?
Awesome clothes. Thank you very much, guys.
What's this?
Ooh, well,
I love Jenga.
we'll have to play this. So we got a PJ Masks.
I don't know what that is.
The Tumbling Tower game. You know who PJ Masks is. There is. I forget their names.
Funny cat-looking guy.
Yeah, you used to watch the show all the time.
I forget it. That was like 2 years
So
ago.
contents. There's 48 wood
There's
pieces,
candy.
1 die, and 1 instruction sheet. So we'll
It's
try
Jenga,
this
I think.
with all of us.
I love Jenga.
Well, you have to take 1 piece
My
off.
candy.
No, we got
Thank
some.
you. This is my favorite.
What kind of candy is it?
My favorite.
So we got some Maynards
Mine.
Sour Patch. So they're watermelon flavor.
Yeah.
So we will have to taste test these.
I already tasted them. They're my favorite. Well,
We
those are
also
also
got
my
we also got some Maynards Fuzzy Peach.
I'll take that too.
Callie loves her candy. And
Oh,
we
I
got
also like
some
those. Sweetest berries.
We got some stop. Maynard's Sweetest Berries.
I'll take that too.
So we'll have to try these out. Oh, and that's not it, guys. There's more in here. So
Why does it have a big nose?
has a big nose. So it is a nuby interactive
Oh,
toy.
that's
So
what's
they are
weird.
plush pets. So care instructions. Oh. White clean only. Oh, so it squeaks. Pretty cool. So all the legs are. So the side is like crinkly.
Sour Patch Kids. Those are
there's
also
more
mine.
candy. Oh, let me see. More candy. Sour Patch Kids.
I'll take those. And they're extra sour, I think.
So here.
I love sour
sorry.
stuff.
Sorry, she wanted it. But I'm going to show you guys first. So
there's another one.
There's the new one. Do you want it? Look.
You want this one?
Do you want it? Do you want to see it? They love it. It's giving it a big kiss. All right, so we want to say thank you very much. That was super nice of you guys. We're going to put the link for their channel down below. Go check them out. Subscribe to their channel. And remember, we're in a race for 10,000 subscribers with the Darby Girls and 3 Princess Productions. So remember, if you're new here, go hit that subscribe button. We've got all kinds of fun content. We do wrestling predictions. We do NASCAR predictions. We read. We open up toys. We play games. We do absolutely everything. We eat candy. We eat candy. Of course. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with opening up one candy. Anna's going to play with her toy. And we're going to taste test them. Which one should we try first, Callie?
This one, because I love these ones. These are like my favorite.
So we're going to taste test the Maynards Sour Patch Kids. Oh, hold on.
I need to open the package.
I know, I can do that's what I'm doing. Alright, so pick one. Okay, give one to Jordan. You want one? And we're supposed to try them at the same time.
So good.
Sour Patch Kids, alright. So here's what they look like. Alright, let's give them a try. A little sour, not too bad.
Not even that sour.
Not even that sour, but they're pretty good.
I want to try the extra sour.
Oh, is there extra sour ones? Oh, we got the extreme. Super sour than sweet. All right.
I don't think anything is sour pretty much.
All right, so let's try the super sour ones. The babies can't try them yet because they have no teeth.
That one's too bad. Can't eat it.
All right, take one. I already told you the rules. You weren't supposed to try them until. Hey.
You're not that sour. They're not sour at all. Ah.
They're pretty good. They are a little sour.
No, not.
But not that sour, where it hurts your mouth.
This right? This one.
Which one's that? The Fuzzy Peach.
I used to eat these all the time. This is like all the candy I'd eat. Stop moving. You want to go to Jordan? I don't think you do. Thanks.
Alright. Callie's got them open. We're going to try pass one to Jordan. No.
What? I gave it to him.
I meant to give him the box. So here is the Fuzzy Peach. Excellent. Yeah. So what would you rank those? They're 10.
10. There's still one more.
What would you rank them as 10? The Fuzzy Peach. He hasn't even tried them yet.
I'd
rank them a 10. I'd say the Sour Patch Kids. Solid 10. The Solid Patch Extreme. Solid 10.
Hold this. I dropped the candy.
That's okay. Alright.
Nice. Mine. Not your candy.
Alright. So here's the Sour Patch Kids. Nope. Here is the Swedish Berries. Super yummy. How are those? What's your favorite out of the Fuzzy Peach? The Sour Patch Kids. Or the Sour Patch Kids, a watermelon.
I really like both of the Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah?
Because the Super Sour Patch Kids, the extra sour, like I love sour stuff. And these are just like one of my favorite candies, so.
So her favorite is the Sour Patch Kids. Jordan, which one's your favorite?
Where's your toy?
Swedish face, which is on the floor.
Here it is. You want your toy?
Which one's your favorite?
Hold it.
No.
Are they all your favorite?
So.
They're all Jordan's favorite.
Those ones the best.
I think my favorite are the fuzzy peaches.
That's what I think Jordan likes.
I think those are my favorites.
Because you're not eating sour and Jordan doesn't.
Alright, so we're going to pause the video for a second. We're going to set up the tumbling tower. And we're going to play the tumbling tower PJ Masks style.
Isn't it?
So we will be right back.
Here you go, you can sit down now. Because I don't want to hold.
Alright guys, so we've got the PJ Masks rumbling tower, or the tumbling tower game out. So it has 48 wooden pieces, and here's what it looks like. Alright, so it looks like the youngest goes first, so who's going to go first?
Me.
And Hannah, Callie's going to go first. Alright, let's see what color she gets.
Green.
She gets green.
I know.
So who's going to win, guys? Is it going to be Team Kids or is it going to be Team Dad?
No.
All right. So Jordan, are you going next?
What did you get?
Jordan rolls a red. All right. So you have to pick a red. Oh.
That one's the easiest.
Right off the hop. He picks that one. All right.
Right off the top.
Let me see the dice. All right, come on. Which one? Oh, I get red.
Everyone's
Right.
getting red.
Oh, guys.
If only you got a blue.
Oh, no. What am I going to do? Ooh, I don't like that one. Because that... Oh, no.
I know which one I'd go for.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Oh, got it. All right. It's going to be hard.
Green! The easiest one, because it's in the middle.
Callie got the green.
All
right.
Easy.
Jordan, it's your turn. Some Mountain Dew on the table. Get it.
Red!
Jordan gets a red. All right.
Daddy, get a blue.
What?
Oh my god.
Are you able to pick that one?
Yeah, you can pick that one.
Really?
Yeah, it's allowed.
I don't know. Is that allowed, guys? I'm gonna read the rules.
It's still a block. It's just from the top.
So, I got her
You
red
can get
as
the other
well.
one, but then it's not
Okay.
balance.
Red seems to be the hardest.
Well, no one got the blue, so you don't know.
Uh-oh.
The blue looks pretty easy.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
Your arm is in the way. Oh. Woo. Alright, Callie gets a green. Alright, let's see where Callie's gonna go.
No, not that one.
Ooh, that's gonna be hard.
Come on.
Come on, Team Daddy.
Nope, not that one. Not that one. Not that one.
That one
That one
could
was
be an
gonna knock the
issue.
whole top off.
Alright, let's see.
Maybe this one? Nope. Yes.
Whew.
Slowly.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh, I know which red one. Jordan, that one's loose if you want to get the red one.
Alright, let's see.
That one.
It's Jordan. Oh, Jordan, you haven't even gone yet. Jordan, you haven't even gone. No, you have to roll the dice.
I know it's gonna be red. So
Now we know what Jordan's gonna get.
I bet something red.
It's under the couch.
Fixed.
Oh, it's red.
So,
He was right. It's red. Red is so popular. When's blue gonna come out of his shell?
Come on, blue.
It's
Come
cat
on.
the best.
Oh,
Green.
green.
Yes, get that one.
what the
And knock the
heck's
tower
going on?
over to lose. You're gonna knock it over.
Nope. Oh, I did it.
Blue! Yes! Oh, wait, blue.
Oh, I think it's going down.
It's
going down, down, down.
It's going down.
Oh.
You better lose. Better dance.
All right, Jordan.
It's going to
It's
be
becoming
red.
top heavy.
I bet you it's going to be red.
Oh my gosh, Jordan. What happens if no one gets the red?
Alright.
So what you gonna do? Huh?
I got red. Uh-oh.
Get the one that Jordan
Where am I going? Oh, nope. Nope. Nope.
Please knock over the
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna lose. I thought that you were gonna win, huh? Huh?
Oh,
now
come
you're
on.
gonna win. I see a loose one.
That
I'm
is
not gonna
not
tell
happening.
you. I see a loose one.
This is not loose. Oh!
Dang it.
Can I? Can I? Come
You saw
on.
my trick.
Oh.
Oh, that
Oh.
was fun.
Oh. All right.
Okay, we said
Okay, Callie.
Red. Oh, why is red? Why?
Red's hard. I don't know.
Nope.
The tower could be tumbling.
Red is so easy. Why do you say that?
Oh.
Red is so easy.
Wait, where's
Why
the
do you say
red?
that?
No one. I can get that one maybe.
Why did you
I
guys
don't
say
think
that
so.
red so hard?
Jordan, wait, Jordan, we're on the same team. Show me the red. Is it this one?
Team Dad! Ah! Yes!
No, Jordan, why didn't you tell me? Which one was it?
I don't think there was one. all the reds were pretty hard.
Took mine.
Team Dad wins!
I'm gonna build something with these.
Alright guys, so remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad. Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Smash that thumbs up button. Go check out the Diamond Boy and Girl. They're an awesome channel. Thank you very much for all the gifts. T and Anna says thank you. Callie and Jordan says thank you. And we say thank you. So, she lost again. So, until next time.
Bye.
Peace out, guys. See you later.